What's good, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. I ain't posted in a couple of days because I've been busy as fuck. Working on the off scene. I'm trying to get this podcast set up, and I really haven't had time to vlog because I ain't did shit but work on that really. Um, but as y'all can see, I'm about to kind of just show y'all a trading setup that I took today, which I missed out on the bag, but I also made a bag. I'm up huge today. But I'm also I'm just gonna break down the trade that I took today and just kind of let y'all see, you know, what my thought process was and what made me take the trade and things like that. It's pretty fucking simple, you know what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna waste no time. If you're new here, I'm a full-time trader. I've been trading 9 years and I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm not an ICT trader, you know. I'm in that group of traders where we learned years ago before ICT, before smart money. Like I'm one of those traders where I started dealing with this at a very prominent time where most people didn't know what trading was, and most thought it was a scam. You know, being able to make money from your phone sounds like a scam. So I'm from that era. But I started 9 years ago while I was in college, and it was the best thing I ever done. And now I teach and trade live for hundreds of people. I do have a Discord community. It's a sitless community where I give out all of my trades. And yeah, we just print consistently. You know, I mean, when I say consistently, we're one of the most consistently profitable communities out here. And they will literally speak for, for the work I put in. And they love it. They make money, and it's only a $25 monthly subscription to be a part of the Discord. If that's something that you're interested in, link in the bio. It's up to you. All right, so let's get into my trade from today. All right, so if we zoom in here, okay, you can kind of see that we had this. We've been selling off for the last couple of days, right? So if you look at here, we had this nice little resistance trend line kind of going on here that we've reacted to 3 times before, this last time here. So when I woke up this morning, right, we zoom in here just a little bit. I'll move that for now. When I woke up this morning, what I saw was we had a very nice ascending channel. If you don't know what an ascending channel is, an ascending channel is basically a bearish channel where price is squeezing in this upwards channel, and eventually it breaks out to the downside. So typically it's a bearish pattern. All right. Now, when I woke up this morning, I hopped on live with my Discord, and we ended up getting a short around 59.64. Now I told them, hey, I'm looking to take one trade today, not doing too much scalping. I'm gonna take this one trade because the setup is a bearish setup, so I just want to position it, and we might get some drawdown, but if it works, we're going to have a very nice win. Okay, so we went short at 59.64 exact with our stops above the high. Typically was above the high of the channel, but to just tighten it a little right above this resistance here. Now, initially, my first trim target was, this low here, because anytime you get a break of a pattern, the higher or the lower the pattern is that, that first target, right? So in this case, we did take some cash here on that break because that right there was 30 points. Like that right there, this little move right here was 30 points. I'm on a 30-minute time frame right now, so if we were to jump to a 5-minute and zoom in, as you can kind of see, this move right here, the market was so volatile this morning, we ended up catching a 30-point trade here. So boom, we got that trade. We held some runners, and I ended up taking another position, shorting all the way down to these lows here, because in the one of these patterns, you target next support, next resistance. In this case, we didn't have any more support all the way up until down here. Now, I expect us to take out 5,700, which is this level down here, in the next coming days. So I position myself for a contract that has about a week expiration. So hopefully we can hit that target in about a week. But I bought a contract at like $150, sold it at like $380, and I grabbed another position, and now I'm up like 100% on that position. But that contract that I sold for $380 ended up going to like $900. So I missed out on a plus 500 per contract on that. And that's kind of why I love options. You know what I'm saying? Options is amazing. You know what I'm saying? You can make great money with it. But yeah, so I mean, we waited for this break. So once we kind of broke here, we ended up getting short, and the rest was history. As you can see, we retested all of this here. It bounced back, retested. Let me zoom in, y'all might can't see that. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see it retested right here. It broke that trend line, retested it, beautiful retest. Sellers came back into the market, and this thing just continued to sell off. Now, at the same time, Trump released tariff news, right? 25% tariff. Typically, a great setup precedes news. If there's a good setup and news comes out, news will typically push that setup. All right. So today was just an overall huge day today. Money was made. The Discord community loves it. If you're not a part of the Discord community, bro, I don't want to keep saying it, but I'm literally out here changing the game for a lot of people. And this is just what we do, you know. I've been on this a long time, so I got the experience. You don't want one thing you don't want to do is allow yourself to trust people that with no experience, no testimonials, no reviews. You know, I've been doing this a long time. I got reviews on top of 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 testimonials, everything. You know what I'm saying? And I got a community that loves the Discord. Like, they literally love it there. You know, because the way I trade, I don't overtrade. I wait for great quality setups. I make my money, and that's what it is. You know, once you kind of get into that atmosphere of just gambling and just trying to make money and not waiting on quality setups, that's where the failure starts to come in. And if you in this game, you want to be successful at it. So, yeah, we got over 600 members in the Discord community, and we are growing. So, going to get you a spot. It's cheap. It's less than $7 a week, and I'll guarantee you will make that shit in one trade. Come on, bro, $25. If y'all see these reviews, I don't even feel like posting. I don't even feel like showing y'all the reviews right now. That's how crazy it is. Like, you decide to join, you do. If you don't, that's on you as well. But overall, still a great day today. I'm watching the markets right now. We kind of bounced a bit because, like I said, this sell-off here was fucking huge. We went from 925 all the way down to 825. So that drop alone was 100 points in itself today. So I'm expecting tomorrow we're probably gonna do some recovery. You know, we might squeeze our way higher just because we dropped huge today. We dropped over 100 points today. Like, that's a huge drop for the market. So other than that, another day tomorrow, and we're gonna see how the rest of the week goes, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.